12.9-inch is back home, baby. Remember when I sold it? I regret it. Okay, here we go. What's up, everyone? Boy, it's Tech here again. Just saw, I don't know if I'm gonna upload first or just go upload at the same time, but you probably saw the iMac unboxing. If you haven't watched the iMac unboxing yet, go check it out. If you have, this is not for this bad, but right here. Yeah, you probably wonder where the iMac went. It's on my bed. I'm just gonna record this one real quick. It's the new iPad inch, the 12.9 with a new mini LED display. Super excited to see how that looks. As you can see, I cannot wait. So we're just gonna straight up turn that way up. Right here. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do videos in this room. It's a tight spot, so I gotta try my best with what I've got. Alright. There we go. You're probably wondering, see, I gotta see what I'm doing. You're probably wondering, where is the Magic Keyboard? Well, I had the black one in my living room, but I wanna get the white one instead. So I'm gonna go to App Store today. I already have a pickup order, so I'm gonna go pick it up later. This is the new iPad, so let's get a good angle. Well, let's open it up. And this is it right here. Back as best as I can, but I'll get fingerprints all over this thing. This is Space Gray. Never had Space Gray 12.9 before. I had a silver one, so happy to have Space Gray now. I'm just gonna do it to the side. In the box, you get your brick. Nothing new here. Brick. I have like a lot of these, so I don't even know why I opened it up. I probably won't be even using it right away, but you know. And we have USB-C. I have a ton of these too, so see, this one's going to the collection to save. So that's it for this unboxing. Yeah, this is the new iPad, 12.9-inch mini LED. I'm gonna do like with the iMac. I'm gonna use it for a little bit and give you my thoughts. Thanks for watching. See you soon.